Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, there is a swing is forming at this particular level. Okay, and I have already told you that a doji candle is forming at this particular level. After that a green candle is forming. So chances are very high that if this level sustain a level of $3.7 sustain, then chances of moving further upside is there, because this is a swing we can see. But if it goes below a particular level of 3.5, chances are high that it can touch a particular low of around 3.4, and if that level didn't sustain, probability of moving further down is there. Okay, mostly what we can see, a swing is trying to form, so probability is high. If a level of 3.7 sustaining up going, we can see a further upside. Okay, but if it goes below 3.5, then we can see further down. Okay, before we move forward and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so what you can see looking in this chart, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, which is on a higher chances, yes, because a swing is already formed at this particular level, so chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of around $3.857. Okay, and if that level sustain, chances of going further upside is there. We can see a level of around $4.063. Okay, and this $4.063 is already being tested here and a weak resistance, so chances of touching a level of $4.11 is there, and if that level move further upside, then we can see it can touch a level of around $4.217. Okay, and if the price move up that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $4.4. Okay, and once the price move up this particular level, chances of touching a level of 4.518 is there. You have to keep that in mind that once it sustain above a level of around 4.2, chances are very high we can see a level of $4.493. Okay, and once it started moving above 4.4, then we can see it can cross that particular zone and it can go further upside towards a level of $4.6 to a level of $4.6 to 4.7. Okay, and I've told you that once it sustain above 4.9, then chances of going further upside is there. So once it sustain 4.7, we can see a level of $4.9. Okay, and once it sustain above 4.9, then further upside we can see, because this is the zone where the price, if sustain, we can see it can move further upside. So chances are very high once it goes above 4.9, chance of touching $5.3 is there, and then further upside is a price sustain. Okay, so once it sustain above 5.3, you can check my weekly video where the price move up that particular level. Okay, now as we have seen, swing is forming at this particular level, but if this green candle forming moves further down and touch a level of $3.560, okay, so what we can see, it can go further low towards a level of $3.45. Okay, and once the price move below that particular level, chances are high we can see it can touch a level of $3.47. This $3.47 is already a weak support. Keep that in mind. Once the price comes close to this particular level 3.4, we can see it can fall further down, and a chances of going towards a level of 3.178 is there. Okay, and once it fall below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $3.008. Okay, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $2.839. Okay, and once it move below that particular level, chances are very high that we can see it can go further low, and a probability of going towards a level of around 2.584 is there, and then further down if the price move below that particular level. And if the price move below that level, you can check my weekly video where the price can move. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video. And now understand something, that most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, so what I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, that is 1,000 to 1,500. A risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, so now suppose if you took 5 trades also, your maximum risk is $500. Okay, that is 100 per trade. Okay, now suppose if you lose all 5 trades, maximum loss is $500, then you can relax for the day. That what it plays a psychological point, that is, once it is not that big amount that you will try to recover the same day. Okay, but if you lose 5,000 and 3,000, you will try to recover it, and in that process you lose your full capital. This is what people do. What I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these things. Okay, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.